In this video, you will learn how to make money with Chat GPT by providing resume and cover letter services. In today's competitive job market, having a well-crafted resume and cover letter is crucial for standing out among other applicants. With the advancements in technology, leveraging AI tools like Chat GPT can provide a unique opportunity to offer resume and cover letter services online, helping job seekers improve their chances of success while also generating income for yourself. In this video, we will explore how you can tap into this market and create a profitable business by providing top-notch resume and cover letter assistance using Chat GPT. Step 1. Understanding the power of Chat GPT. Chat GPT, powered by advanced language processing algorithms, is capable of generating high-quality, human-like text responses. This technology can be harnessed to provide personalized and effective resume and cover letter services. By using Chat GPT, you can engage with clients and provide tailored advice, suggestions, and revisions. Step 2. Establishing your online presence. To start your resume and cover letter service, it's essential to establish a strong online presence. Create a professional website or blog that showcases your expertise in crafting compelling resumes and cover letters. Share success stories, testimonials, and highlight your unique selling points. Make sure your website is visually appealing, user-friendly, and easy to navigate. Step 3. Offering customized services. Different job seekers have varying requirements and career goals. To cater to their needs, offer a range of services tailored to different levels of expertise. This may include resume writing, cover letter creation, LinkedIn profile optimization, and even interview coaching. By providing a comprehensive suite of services, you can attract a broader client base and generate more revenue. Step 4. Engaging with clients effectively. Chat GPT can be integrated into your website to offer real-time, interactive consultations with clients. Develop a system where clients can submit their existing resumes and cover letters along with relevant information about their career goals. Use Chat GPT to analyze and provide personalized feedback and suggestions. This interactive approach will enhance the client's experience and boost their satisfaction with your service. Step 5. Enhancing the human touch. While Chat GPT offers remarkable capabilities, it's crucial to maintain a human touch throughout the process. Personalize your interactions with clients, understand their unique circumstances, and provide customized solutions. Clients will appreciate the blend of AI-powered assistance and personalized attention, which will set your service apart from other purely automated options. Step 6. Building a reputation. Word-of-mouth recommendations and positive reviews play a significant role in attracting new clients. Encourage satisfied customers to leave testimonials on your website or on relevant platforms, such as LinkedIn or industry forums. Offer incentives for referrals and develop partnerships with career coaches, job search platforms, or educational institutions. Establishing a reputation for excellence will help you gain a competitive edge in the market. Step 7. Pricing your services. Determining the right pricing structure is crucial to ensure profitability. Research the market rates for resume and cover letter services, considering factors such as experience, expertise, and level of service offered. You can choose to charge per project, per hour, or create bundled service packages. Start with competitive prices and consider adjusting them as you gain experience and client feedback. In conclusion, by leveraging the power of Chat GPT and providing resume and cover letter services, you can turn your expertise into a profitable online business. Remember to showcase your unique value proposition, engage with clients effectively, and maintain a reputation for quality. Stay up to date with industry trends and continuously improve your skills to stay competitive in the dynamic job market. Embrace the opportunities provided by technology and embark on a rewarding journey as a Chat GPT-powered resume and cover letter service provider. Let us know in the comments if you would like us to make a long, in-depth follow-up video to learn more about how to make money using Chat GPT to provide resume and cover letter assistance. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more Shaun Academy videos.